Hi there everyone. This short driving lesson is designed for beginners and experienced drivers, and it's mainly steering, knowing how to hold the steering wheel and make proper turns. Now just ahead I'm going to be making a left turn, so observe how I'm going to be steering. Now remember, you're not supposed to palm the wheel, like do things like that, or get your hands in the wheel. No, it's totally unacceptable if you're going for a driving test in Canada and the USA. I don't know about other countries what's acceptable, but I know in Canada and the US you cannot do like this when you're on a driving test, or hold the wheel down there, or drive with one hand. You must hold the wheel properly and steer properly, and you only use the top half of the steering wheel, so your hand should not go all the way down here. Alright, so here we go. I'm at the side of the road and I'm leaving. So I put my left signal on, check my mirror, left mirror, and then my blind spot, and it's fine. So I check again before I drive off, and that's it. Cancel the signal. Now ahead I'm gonna be making a left turn. So I put my left signal on. Do I have a white line? No, I don't. So I stop just before the crosswalk. Complete stop, and it's safe. It's a three-way, hand over hand. Recover. Next street down, it's a right turn. Signal right, mirror, shoulder, and hand over hand steering. Wait for the car to get there, then you recover. And that's all there is to it. It's quite simple, but you just definitely have to know the proper way of steering so you can put the car where it needs to be. Next street down, it's a left turn, so I signal left, and hand over hand steering, and I'm just gonna pull over here to the right, signal to the right, mirror, shoulder, and I make a complete stop, then straighten the wheel. Well, this, like I said, it's a short lesson. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again.